Good morning, everyone. Well, today I am doing another Mintay challenge, the cards. And this one, it just has to be anything stripes. And so I am using Riviera Moments. And I'm using for my paper, I'm using from here. And it's this paper here. It's wood on one side and this on the other. Okay, so, and the embellishments, I'm using them from the 6x8 and also the signature collection, the cover, whatever. Okay, so anyhow, I have like a bunch of different size envelopes, and this one happens to be a Hallmark because it's got the little rose on it. And so I decided I was going to do my card horizontal. And so I just measure my envelope, which is 6 and almost 3/4. Oh, wait a minute, is that 6? Yeah. And this way it's 5 1/8. So I just cut it a little bit smaller, and then I decided I was, using this paper, and I cut it down, and I've got this, it's the top part, and I think maybe there was a flaw or something, because there's actually, it looks like a fall collection over here, or something that just really didn't print. And so I think maybe it's an extra long piece that it just had too much white on it, but I didn't notice it when I cut it. So what I've done is actually cut another little sliver, and I'm gonna put it right on top of that there. And so that, because I'm thinking it's got white on the end, way too much white on the end, and I want that blue stripe on the end too. So I'm gonna put it there. I think it's time to fill up my little bottles of glue. So I'm just trying to get a little bit on that red line, because I don't want to go over it and have, sticking out. Okay, so I'm gonna just line that up there so that I end up with my blue spot, and it's like if I would have noticed ahead of time, I would have flipped it around and just used the other side, but I did not notice it until I was like working on it. It's like, why don't I have a blue strip over there? And I really thought I just need to cut it a little bit bigger, but I didn't want to cut another piece because I want to save this wood piece because I love that too. But ever since I seen the thing for it to do a striped card, I kind of had this one in mind with the blue and the red. So that's how that went. Okay. So also I've decided, and this kind of at the last minute, that I wanted another blue stripe down here. And so I actually took a scrap from the Lighthouse collection that I used yesterday, or actually it'll be this morning, but I made it yesterday, but this will be right after it. So I am going to use that little strip on there. Let's see how much of a donut I want on there, because I'm going to run it right across there, and it looks like it's about this much too big, so I'm just going to glue it to there, but I'm not going to cut it off until I put it on, since it's just this little strip. And I've cut this about 1/8 of an inch thick. I mean, it's skinny, but I kind of like that little skinny details. Just like when I mat pictures, I don't like a big matting. Once in a while I'll do a big matting, but I really like skinny ones. Okay, and I probably do not have enough glue, so I'm just going to run it again. Okay. Now if I touch some of it, I hopefully still have enough to, hopefully I don't rub off so much that I can't stick it down. And I just think that's just a nice little detail. And then once I did that, I thought, oh, maybe I need two. So I haven't decided, do I want two or just one? Oh, I think I'm gonna just stick with the one. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut that little edge off. Okay. Now I'm using some of these little embellishments. I have the lighthouse, I have a sailboat, and a little bouquet of flowers. I have a bow, and I'm gonna have it say, "It's your day." I'll probably use it for a birthday, but I thought just in case it was for something else, I would have it, that way it's a little more optional. I'm using this lady with her beautiful sunbonnet, a little basket with the little red fabric around it like a tie, some postcards or photos, a camera, and some seashells. Okay, or a sand dollar and a seashell. And I'm going to put this probably close to the middle. I'm just kind of looking at my sample picture, but I think right around there is good. Let's see, can I put my boat and the little bouquet there? Yeah, okay, so right about there. I just love this collection. The colors are just so beautiful. Okay, I don't want to glue down my sailboat. Okay, I'm just trying to get it straight. I think that looks like it's straight there. So I want the little lighthouse straight. And there's a little flag hanging off the end of the sailboat, so I'm just gonna touch that with a little bit of glue. So I'm putting this like it's a scene in the background. Even though we don't see any water or any sky. Okay, and oh, I want this floral just slightly tucked in behind this. Okay. Because the flowers are always so pretty, I always like to use them. And then I'm just putting a little bit of glue behind that point since I lifted it up. Okay, and then I have the lady with the sunbonnet, and isn't that just such a pretty picture? So I'm gonna use that. There's another lady, she's sitting on a chair like she's at a restaurant or a cafe and drinking a cup of coffee. I thought about that one, but I like this one where she looks like she's out on the beach. Okay, I'm trying to get my height right because I want her just over top of that rope there on that little circle. Okay, and then I want my little postcards. These were definitely cut from the front of the collection. I'm just going to overlap it. See, that way you can't tell that she doesn't have the bottom half. Okay, and now I cut this out, but I did not cut out that little strip there. But I did this one because it was wider. I figured this one will kind of blend in with the scenery. So it's like if it's too hard, sometimes I just don't cut it out. And again, I'm just overlapping her a little. And then I have the camera. It's like, you know, all these things one might have on a vacation. Oh, it's a good thing I didn't put on that other strip, otherwise I'd be overlapping it right now. Okay, and then I have the little seashell. No, the little sand dollar. I think the seashell is called a conch. Is this a conch?
Yes, mistress.
Igor knows all. All-seeing Igor. Okay, so I'm gonna put that right there too. So all those overlap to make my little scene. And I'm gonna use this sentiment from one of, I think it's from the all occasion paper words or wordy bits anyhow that Mintay has. And I did get some of them from them when they sent me that blessing box. Okay, so I am just, I think this is, maybe I got it up a little too high. I'm gonna tuck it down here a little bit. And then I have this little bow. This little bow has been on, it's been off. I couldn't decide. But then when I put the It's Your Day there, I really liked it. And hubby seconded that opinion. So, you know, it's nice to have a second opinion. So I'm just putting that right there. And I did keep everything flat just so it'd be go in the card or the envelope real well. So that's the front. Okay, and then I actually tried to cut this little stripe, and when I did, I put a piece of washi over it, and I kind of pushed it down real hard because I was afraid it was going to move, and tore it. So I'm going to put this in the middle though. Do I want the whole thing? I think I'm gonna cut it down to probably about here. And I'm gonna cut the little flag end. Banner end. That's what it's called. If I can't, you know, think of the word, I'll just make one up. Okay, is it cut straight? Okay, I think that's good there. I haven't decided what length I want that yet. Okay, now for my embellishments to that, I've got this little beach house. I've got a couple of, they would be very, you know, this would be like in the background, and then the seashells in the front. So I don't know if I just want to do seashells or if I want to do, I haven't cut out too much of this collection yet, so I have to make all these decisions, and I've just been cutting out what I want. Okay, I think I want to do that and just sand dollar. Or the shell. Or just the shells. I kind of like the little changing room or whatever they call those. Okay, so I think I'm going to use that. Abby's looking at me because I'm not talking. I'm still trying to make a decision. Like, are you still on there? Decisions. I kind of want something else. Maybe it's that one. I just need that one. I think the other was too much. Maybe because this is 3. You know, the stripe, the little house, and then 1 seashell. So that is it. Oh, I still have this. I want to mix that in there. No, I like this. All right. So that's my card for the challenge. I think it's super cute. I just love that lady. She's so pretty. And love the colors, of course. So thank you for joining me. If you haven't seen my 30 Days of Sketches video yet, it's up and running. So check that out. And I will see you tomorrow. Close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.